What's good, and good morning from Canada. So we're going to go over Polygon. We're going to go over some recent posts on their Twitter as well as the technical analysis. So we're up 65% on the week, and then on the day, we're up 7%. We've started to correct a little bit, but we'll get into that a bit later. So the market cap sitting at 4.23 billion in 24-hour volume, 876 million for Polygon. So let's quickly hop over to their Twitter here. So a couple of announcements. So we can see here, time for their weekly update. So kicking off L2 DeFi summer with 40 million plus USD in liquidity mining rewards from Polygon for Avi's Polygon markets. And if we scroll down, so we can see here they had their first NFT swap between Doki Doki Finance and Neon District RPG. The first ever NFT swap on Polygon was executed today by using cross-asset swap. And right here, a website that tracks how tokens flow through different scalability solutions for Ethereum. The top three, Polygon 3.66 billion. We have ZK Swap Official 1.5 billion and Loop Ring Org 242 million. All right, guys. So awesome to see Polygon continuing to grow, and they're always updating us on their Twitter. Which is awesome. So let's hop into the technical analysis for Polygon here. So guys, we're here on the 4-hour chart. Now, the sellers have stepped in and started to take profits after that nice over 100% pump. We did break down through the 20 EMA. We are rising above it now, but we could easily roll over to come back to this 71 cents that we've been talking about on the Fibonacci, guys. Now, if the buyers do step in, a key level of resistance here would be up around 89 cents, which was a previous level of resistance, and we could form a double top pattern, guys, which is a sign of a bearish reversal. I popped it up for you newbies here. So you have your first peak, you have your neckline, and you have your second peak, and if you break the neckline, it's a sign of a bearish reversal. Now, guys, I just want to be real with you guys and honest, and that is a possibility where we come up and we test the resistance here at 89 cents, and if we hit that double top and we come down and we break the neckline, we'll come down and find support here at 71 cents for Matic. It would be healthy, guys. It wouldn't be something to be, worried about. And unless we were to break that, then we would see a full retracement to that previous swing high at about 55 cents. But it's awesome to see a bit of buying pressure come in and have the 20 EMA come back underneath on the candles. But I'll show it to you guys on the 1 day. So we can see here we've got a bit of a bull flag forming, and we're consolidating. So if we were to consolidate and break out, that would be great. But we can see we are still overextended. The 20 EMA is slowly catching up to the candles, and you can see here when we're overextended, we had that bull flag right here as well. But then we break down to come back down and find support on the 20 EMA and also on the previous swing high. All right, guys. So I mean, the previous swing high for Polygon right now is 55 cents. So we're hoping we don't have a corrective wave that falls that far down and we're able to find support. We might roll over, come to 71 cents and have the 20 EMA catch back up to the candles and use it as support, as I've been talking about in previous videos. So we'll pop over to the hourly chart here. Now we can see here we've broken down underneath the 50 EMA and the 20 EMA twice. We're setting lower lows and higher lows as well, which is bearish. Now we're having that little bit of buying pressure. We can see the bullish cross. So we're hoping, we see that buying pressure to push us back up to 97 cents. But a lot of people are taking profits right now who got in at that bottom down about 40 cents here. 35, 40 cents. I took a position down here as well. So we're seeing people starting to take profits, right? So it's very likely if you can see that buying pressure, if the bulls step in, you get that buying pressure and we're able to push through 89 cents, that would be confirmation that we'll head towards 97. But there's a high probability that we'll roll over and find support here at 71 cents. I'll show it to you guys further back on the chart here, just so you guys can kind of have an idea of what happens after a large pump like that. So we can see here we had a pretty significant pump, and then we formed that bull flag that we're seeing right now, but then we broke down and we found support back on the 20 EMA and on the 50 EMA. So if I put it onto the 1 day, so you can see here what I'm talking about in the 1 day, where we had a significant pump, and then we formed basically what we're seeing right now, and then we sold off and found support down here on the 20 EMA. So that's why I'm mentioning that for anyone that's kind of new to technical analysis, is we're forming that bull pennant right now, but the 20 EMA is still quite a ways away. So what we'll see most likely is a bit of sell-off, so we can find that support again on the 20 EMA. Because if we are to pump, like if we see that buying pressure and we pump up to 97 cents or further, the correction will be harder, right, guys? So it's healthy for us to correct. It's healthy for us to come back to the EMAs to find support and to continue upwards. All right, guys, so that's basically it for Polygon. Keep an eye on this level here at about 89 cents. If we hit that double top and we get rejected, then it's a good sign. We'll come back down to 71 cents. We can also roll over from here. We could roll over and come back to 71 cents, but obviously everyone wants to see us like, let's keep going, let's push on. But the harder we push on towards 97 cents, where we currently are, the harder we correct. So I'll pull up the RSI. Like you can see here, guys, if we were to push up to 97 cents, we would just be so broken away from the 20 EMA that we would correct quite a bit harder. So I'll pull up the RSI for you guys just so you can see. So we can see here on the RSI on the daily that we were quite overbought right around this area, and we had that little bit of sell-off, and we're currently still sitting at 71 on the RSI. And you can see right here we're sitting at 71 in the RSI, and we went through a correction. You can see right here where we had that nice pump, and then we have that corrective wave, right? So we want to be in the purple box for the RSI, and currently we're slightly overbought. So that's why I think we will most likely come down to that 71 cent mark, consolidate, heal up, let the 20 EMA come back up to the candles, and then we can trend towards 97 cents for Polygon. All right, guys. So, and then our price target going forward, if we're able to break through 97 cents, our next price target would be up here at about, oh, let me move that up a little bit, $1.23 for Polygon. All right, guys, so that's it for Polygon. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram. You can check out the Discord, Patreon link in the bio, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love, guys. Take care.